Here we have a Saeco Royale, really old machine. This unit was brought in because it needed a tune-up. It was making a few funky noises and not properly running shots. Coffee wasn't that strong, so we went in on this side of the machine, took out the brew group and replaced some gaskets, cleaned some screens, and let's run a shot. That's the brew group opening up. There goes pre-infusion. And here's our coffee. We're using really old coffee, so there's not much crema, not good color, but properly running. There's that. Alrighty. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.